We are going to walk you through the formulating steps of our Soothing After Sun Gel Cream. Based on the latest Mintel research, 43% of adults are interested in and willing to spend more on skin protection products with an added skincare benefit. With this formulation, you can experience instant relief for sun-kissed skin while still protecting and treating your skin. First, we are going to start out by adding water. Next, we are going to add a polymer to act as our thickening agent. We want to mix that until homogeneous. Then we are going to add one of Acme-Hardesty's newest skincare actives, SharoHyal Matrix. This is a compound solution for anti-aging and moisturization applications. It is made up of 5 complex hyaluronic acid materials varying in size and characteristics. This blend of hyaluronic acid work together to boost collagen synthesis, fight against wrinkles, and restore moisture to the skin. Next, we are going to begin to prepare the oil phase of our formula. We will start by combining MCT and Acme-Hardesty's Alphalmprove Body. Alphalmprove Body is an innovative, 100% natural, active plant complex with proven effectiveness in reducing stretch marks. Due to its richness in MCT, it also helps the healing process, replacing damaged tissue and promoting the skin's elasticity and reconstruction. This ingredient forms a film on the skin, reducing transepidermal water loss and aiding in skin hydration. The next ingredient we added to this formulation is the Botaniplex Balance SA, which is a synergistic blend of plant extracts that helps to restore a healthy balance to the skin, especially skin that is damaged, irritated, or imbalanced. It stimulates the skin's natural antimicrobial defense mechanisms and helps to balance the skin's microbiome. It provides protection against oxidative stress and has anti-inflammatory, anti-irritant, and skin-soothing properties. The emulsifier we have selected for this formula is Hydresia Dulce, which is naturally produced from sweet almond oleosomes. It boasts a unique, continuous moisture delivery system that is an all-natural alternative to other chemical emulsifiers that can have irritating ingredients. Through delayed release of emollient almond oil and vitamin E, Hydresia Dulce offers enhanced moisturization within premium personal care and skincare applications. One important formulating tip to note when working with Hydresia Dulce is to shake the raw material prior to use and to pre-mix the rest of the oil phase and then add that to the Hydresia Dulce. Once the oil phase is homogeneous, you can then add that to phase A, the initial water phase, and continue mixing. The preservative we selected for this formulation is called SharoMix AM25. This is a broad spectrum, highly compatible preservative. It is an innovative solution and can demonstrate a superior microbiological performance. A reduced use level is possible with this preservative. This preservative is free from parabens, formaldehyde donors, and halogens, and it is completely free of odor or color. This lightweight formula will replenish moisture and promote a long-lasting healthy glow. It is perfect for restoring your skin's vitality after sun exposure. Thank you for your time and attention. Please do not hesitate to reach out with any questions or for any formulating assistance. Thank you.